Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the latest gadgets and car tech to help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dash car cameras of 2025. A good dash cam is more than just a recording device. It's your silent witness on the road, protecting you in accidents, helping with insurance claims, and providing peace of mind. We'll go through each dash cam, break down the features, reviews, pros and cons, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your car best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 11.26-inch 3-camera 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash cam. This rear-view mirror dash cam offers a huge 11.26-inch touch display that replaces your traditional mirror with a smart video recorder. With 3 cameras recording simultaneously, you get coverage from the front, inside, and rear. The 4K front camera captures crisp detail, while the infrared night vision ensures clarity even in pitch-black driving conditions. Wi-Fi makes it easy to sync footage to your phone. 11.26-inch touchscreen mirror design, triple camera setup, 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p, Wi-Fi connectivity, infrared night vision, rear view mirror DVR style. Pros: large and user-friendly display, triple camera coverage, front, cabin, and rear, strong night vision with infrared, easy footage transfer via Wi-Fi. Cons: bigger screen may obstruct smaller cars. Installation takes some effort. Number 2. AZDOME M660 2K plus 3x 1080p 4-channel dash cam. The AZDOME M660 is designed for people who want all-around protection. With 4 channels, you get a 360-degree view around your car. The 2K main camera plus 3 1080p cams balance detail and storage efficiency. The built-in 128GB eMMC memory eliminates the need for external cards and is more reliable. Voice commands make it safer while driving, and the 24-hour parking monitor ensures your car is protected even when parked. 2K resolution plus 3 1080p cameras, 4-channel recording, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS built-in, 128GB eMMC storage, voice command, 24-hour parking monitor. Pros: complete 360-degree coverage, large built-in storage, 128GB, voice control for hands-free use, reliable parking protection. Number 3. AZDOME M300S 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. If you want a balance of high resolution and simplicity, the AZDOME M300S is a great choice. The 4K front camera captures road details like license plates clearly, while the rear 1080p covers tailgaters. The standout feature here is ADAS, which gives alerts for lane departure or forward collisions, a safety boost not all dash cams include. With Wi-Fi and GPS, footage is accurate and easy to manage. 4K front plus 1080p rear camera, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, 24-hour parking mode, night vision. Pros: sharp 4K front recording. ADAS adds driver safety features. Compact design with GPS and Wi-Fi. Good night vision. Number 4. 10.26-inch 4K dash cam with CarPlay and Android Auto. This dash cam doubles as an infotainment system. Alongside 4K recording, you get CarPlay and Android Auto, turning your Miro into a smart driving hub. You can navigate with Google Maps, play music, take calls, and more without extra devices. The rear camera adds extra coverage, while the large screen makes it intuitive. Perfect for drivers who want all-in-one functionality. 10.26-inch touchscreen, 4K recording, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS navigation, rear view camera included. Pros: combines dashcam plus infotainment, 4K resolution with rear view cam, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, strong GPS navigation system. Number 5. eAce A45P 4K Wi-Fi GPS car DVR. The eAce A45P is sleek and powerful. With a 12-inch IPS display, it looks modern and provides easy controls. The 4K lens ensures sharp recordings, while GPS tracks routes and speeds accurately. Wi-Fi allows instant footage transfer, and you can expand coverage with an optional rear camera. It's perfect for those who want a modern rear-view dashcam without too many extra features. 12-inch IPS display, 4K resolution, Wi-Fi plus GPS, optional rear camera. Rear-view mirror dashcam style. Pros: crisp 4K video quality, slim and stylish 12-inch design, GPS and Wi-Fi included, expandable with rear camera. So there you have it, the top 5 best dash car cameras of 2025. If you want all-around triple coverage, go with the 11.26-inch 3-camera dashcam. For 360-degree full protection with voice control, the AZDOME M660 is unbeatable. If you prefer a compact 4K system with ADAS, the M300S is a smart choice. If you want CarPlay, Android Auto, and a dashcam in one, the 10.26-inch model is perfect. And for a sleek mirror cam with 4K and GPS, the eAce A45P is excellent. No matter which one you pick, each of these dash cams will make your driving safer and smarter in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Check out the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.